Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can delete the messages on the Indeed account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.indeed.com. So once you type in this URL, you will end up in its homepage. So you need to first sign in into your account by clicking on the sign in option. You can select an email address or continue through Google. So in Indeed, you can't delete any certain messages. However, if you have any messages by the employer, you can find it in the message section, which you can simply archive rather than deleting it. So for now, you don't have a delete feature, so archive is how you delete message on Indeed. So this is how you delete your messages on Indeed app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.